Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. Of course, these cars are rare as it is, one of 1,100 made, and this one is stunning, guys. This is a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It's all body color underneath. I actually bought this car from a good buddy of mine, Mike. You guys probably heard me refer to him in these videos before. Great Mopar guy, loves Chryslers, knows about as much about Mopars as anybody does. Great car. We kind of got quite a bit of history with this car. This car was originally restored in '97, was redone in '03. The car's been in 2 different magazines. We've got the original broadcast sheet for it. Again, it is one of 1,100 Roadrunner convertibles built. It was a factory 3-3 car. Now it has a 451 cubic inch Stoker motor in it that was built at TJ's by TJ at Mancini's Racing. Gorgeous car. It's finished in R6 red. I don't believe that's the original color. I think it was originally a bronze car. But just stunning. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. I mean, it is beautiful. And again, it's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Pretty car, guys. It's got the black performance hood striping. It's a factory N96 car as well. Sorry about the dust, man. We pull them out here this time of year. It happens so quick, guys. Dual chrome mirrors. It's a bucket seats with the buddy seat, tach, a factory tach car with the AM 8-track, power top. Love this car. Runs and drives excellent. Plenty of power. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Got 15-inch chrome Magnums on it. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. And like I say, when you see the bottom of this thing, it's just as nice as the top. It does come with the matching numbers 3-3 cubic inch engine. It's sitting on a stand in the back room here, and it's all rebuilt. I think they went 30 over when they rebuilt it, but other than that, it's completely stock. Again, this is a 451 Stoker engine. It's got a Holley 954 barrel on it, Edelbrock air gap intake, TTI ceramic headers. It's got all H-beam rods. Does have power steering. Factory N96 Air Grabber hood car. It's a 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a, I think he said a 10-inch Streetfighter converter with a 3000 stall. You can nitpick that A-pillar chrome just a little bit. Again, dual chrome mirrors, new door handles. And you see a little chip in the paint there. Bucket seats with buddy seat. Again, it's a power top. Factory dash 55, 57, that is on the resto, guys. Factory tach car, 8-track. The nice thing about 5,500 miles, this is a well-sorted car. It's got an 8 3/4 with a 355 sure grip rear end. Factory jack with the old bias ply spare. The original broadcast sheet, we have a copy of both the magazines that the car was in. It's all body color in here. Pretty car, guys. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick. And again, stunning on the bottom. We got it up in the air, got some good pictures for you. A little tiny split there in the headrest. Those are original headrests. You can find something on all of them, guys. Dash is nice. Ten to 1 compression. Car gets its R's quick, nice and tight. Gauges work, tach works. Go ahead and put your top up, Jay. It's got the correct Mopar material top on it. Glass rear window. Car runs, guys. It will scoot. Does that work? Sure does.
The 8-track working.
8-track's working. That's cool. Blower motor, Jay?
Yeah.
Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that is a pretty Mopar right there, boys. Have a great day, guys.